out. I am going out for Ume's birthday party today. Today's her 30th birthday. Ume is one of my favorite people. Like, she always makes me happy, and she's also one of the strongest people that I know. Like, every time I feel like I'm struggling, I remember Ume or look at Ume, and the way Ume has decided to live her life, you know, I just get up and move. So I'm going to celebrate with her today. I am so super excited. This is the same wig that I've been wearing all the time. I decided to straighten it, so I'm wearing it straight. This is still from Chrissy Bales. It's the same wig from Chrissy Bales. I'm going to show you guys my outfit really quickly, you know, and yeah, head out. Just wanted to grab my camera, and I was like, I need to show you guys these nails. These nails are press-ons. Focus, please. These are press-ons from hell. Guys, the color looks very good. It looks good, Abby. These nails have popped off like like 5 times within the past hour. It's actually very frustrating. These are not the regular like Kiss Impress manicure brand that I'd normally use, the ones that come with nail adhesive tabs. These ones you have to use nail glue, and this is a nail glue that I have used. This is a nail glue that I have used. Guys, I've used like 3 different nail glues, but it's still the same story. Let me show you guys my outfit. Guys, this is a dress that I'm wearing. I've had this dress for a very long time, and I think that this is the perfect opportunity to wear it. It's very long. I'm wearing flats, but I'm going to put this jacket on really quickly. I have the green version of this dress, and I already took a picture with it and I posted it on my Insta like years ago, but this is the black version of it and I haven't worn it before. So I think that this is the perfect opportunity, like I said. So I've put a jacket on. This is from Zara. And yeah, okay, I'm wearing flats like I told you guys. So
yes, the nominee for the Youth and she's here as well. Dimma is about to talk about her friend. Make some noise for Dimma, please give clap as she comes in. We are children today, so you do what I say. Clap, thanks. Still count is a one in town or maybe kill. Yes, looking like a bag of what? Shmoney. Yes. Love it.
Because she knows that I don't like public speaking at all.
I know.
But just really quickly, a few things about Umeh. Like, Umeh is honestly one of my favorite people, and she knows. I say it all the time. And she's also one of the strongest people that I know, to be very honest. Like, sometimes I'm like, oh, feeling so sorry for myself. And then I talk to her and I'm like, Madam, calm down. So that is who she is. She's so bubbly. I don't think that there's ever been a time that I met up with Umeh at any given point and I leave the whole situation sad. I always leave it happier than I was when I met her. She's just this ball of energy that just tries to make everybody happy. So Umeh, like my sister said, this is just the beginning, you know. You will grow from strength to strength, you know. God will grant you all your desires. I'm honestly praying for that for you. Everything you want to see to happen, you know. So don't be too hard on yourself, because I know that you like to laugh and you like to jump around. And everybody feels like Umeh doesn't have problems. Umeh does have things that bother her sometimes. But just know that all your prayers will be answered. Like I said, you go from strength to strength. God will grant you all your answers. So I pray you have the best day today.
I am already. I love you. Thank you.
So I'm home, just got out of the shower. I want to show you guys these press-ons. These press-ons are crap, I'm telling you. This particular brand is called Elegant Touch. It's not my normal and press manicure, but look at just look at, okay? Look at, this is so annoying. Okay, so this is all the food that I came back with. Like, I didn't eat before leaving the house. I only ate the small chops that I showed you guys at a point. So this is malt. You guys know I love maltina by now. And then this is orange flavor Chapman, I think. And then there's grilled chicken here with some jollof and fried fish. Oh my god, I'm about to have a blast, okay? And then this is the small chops because I really liked it and I told her. So she gave me like this big, like, I don't know, it's filled with small chops, this thing. So I'm going to eat this throughout the week, and I'm just going to put it in the fridge and just eat it gradually. But I'm going to warm the rice and start from here. Okay, so I have a few errands to run. I have an appointment. I shouldn't spend more than 30 minutes there, to be very honest. And then after that, I want to stop at Deli's because I want to get rosemary from Deli's. Like, they have very good rosemary at Deli's. Like, I'd normally buy, I'm saying like over again, but their rosemary is very good. They normally import from Kenya. Like, the ones that they have, like they sell, they're not grown in Nigeria. This is not to say that grown in Nigeria rosemaries are bad, but you tend to get a lot for a good amount of money, you know, the ones that they sell. So I want to get from there, and then maybe get some healthy snacks as well. I like to get healthy snacks from Ebano, but I noticed the last time I went that they didn't have some of the healthy snacks that I'd normally eat. So I'm going to check Deli's. Turn this AC off because it's so loud. Okay, heading out, done my makeup and all the good stuff. I have 2 places to go to. I have to go have lunch with Ping. I haven't seen Ping, guys. I have not seen Ping since her birthday in January, which is insane. Just shows you. Oh, have I? Did I see her in between? Did I? I think I haven't seen her since her birthday in January, and we went and we celebrated with her, and that's it. Like, this year has just been one big blow. I'm having lunch with her today. I'm really excited because Ping loves like eating out. I love eating out, and we love going to places that we've not been together. We're both going to this place called La Veranda, I think, for lunch. And I also have to go to the post office really quickly, guys. That's not even the main reason why I sat down here. The main reason why I sat down here was actually to tell everybody who took out the time to vote for me for the People's Choice Awards, People's Choice Awards, category African Social Star, who voted for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You guys really came hard for me. Like, you guys don't know how much that means. You guys came hard. Like, you guys came hard for me. I was first runner-up. Elsa Majimbo won, and congratulations to her because she's also very deserving. Like, she's deserving. So because you guys knew that, you know, most of the campaign was during the NSAS movement. I wasn't talking about this. I was barely posting about it anymore. I wasn't pushing it as much as I would have because we were fighting for something very, very important. Thank you so much, guys, for voting for me. Everybody who took out the time, thank you. I have started editing this vlog, and recently I just watched the part where I went for Umeh's birthday. And I actually laughed at some points because I was like, Umeh actually told me, she legit told me that she wanted to do like a kids themed birthday party, and she pulled it off. I had to cut out some parts because of the music that was playing in the background, but you know, some of the things that her family friends said, like Umeh is such a warrior. If you guys don't know, Umeh is a sickle cell warrior. She has shared this on her channel. She's so strong, and I was just happy to see her happy. Like while I was editing, I was smiling. I was happy that she was happy. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So this is me wearing this nice like day dress with flat sandals and this cute denim bag that I got recently from Zara. Let's go. Obviously, like this is an Italian restaurant, so it's mostly pasta here. So some bruschetta over there. We have shrimp here, and Ping ordered penny pasta. So she's trying to get bacon. I grabbed these and they have cream cheese because I want to bake cake, and she just showed me the cream cheese to buy. You guys remember when I was looking for cream cheese? So okay, so yes, I was able to go to the post office and I grabbed these. I was able to collect, you know, these candles, thank God, and I'm going to unbox them now just to show you guys what I ordered. I ordered 4 candles and 1 headband. Guys, just look at how just like well made this is. Jackie finished work here. I love it. The candle, like the jar also feels heavy, doesn't feel like cheap. Okay, so this is matcha business. Cake top actually smells like cake, and this one smells just like, you know, matcha tea that has maybe some vanilla in it. And then this is coughing season. Okay, there, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. This smells just like perfume. If you're trying to get these and you're looking for something that smells floral, like mature, sweet, like perfume, oh, it's this one. Left on red smells like candy to me. If you ask me, it smells like candy. But this, eesh, this is so good. So this is what they all look like lined up. I think that they look really nice and I just cannot wait to burn these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it as usual. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Mwah.